Hello again everybody, welcome back. I got myself a nice little parcel from SPP'd today with some challenge locks in, which I'll have to work through, but also in there he'd included this, the Burg Wachter 77030. It looks like a little 30mm padlock. So yeah, he's already opened this and played with it. But it is effectively the Burg Wachter version of the titaniums. So it looks very similar in all dimensions, everywhere. So we've got keys here. Let's see what the bitting's like. Nothing special. And the keyway looks reasonably open. Let's have a well, an 18 thou. It's just dragging a little bit. Let's try a 15 thou should do it. So what we got there? Let's find a tension wrench. It's going to have to be the little one. See if that will go in there. Hang on, let's try this one instead. If we go that way, there we go, that should do it. And right, the kit's only 4 pins in here, that was pin 3. Two and 1. There we go. So, like I say, very similar to the titaniums. Feels a bit sharper on the edges, not quite as nicely finished, but still a lovely little padlock. Anyway, thanks for sending it to me, SPP'd, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.